Welcome back to Little Math Joy Quiz. Can you solve this tricky math word problems? Let's start.
Question 1. A clock strikes once at 1 o'clock and twice at 2 o'clock. How many times does it strike in 24 hours? The correct answer is 156. Question 2. I am a 3-digit number. My second digit is 4 times the third digit. My first digit is 3 less than my second digit. What number am I? The correct answer is 241. Question 3. X is an odd number. When one letter is taken away from X, it becomes an even number. Which number is X? The correct answer is 7. Question 4. If 7 people meet each other and each person shakes hands only once with every other person, how many handshakes will there be in total? The correct answer is 21. Question 5. How can you take 2 from 5 and still leave 4? The correct answer is remove letters. Question 6. When Josh was 8 years old, his brother was half his age. Now that Josh is 14, how old is his brother? The correct answer is 10. Question 7. A grandmother, 2 mothers, and 2 daughters went to a baseball game together. Each bought 1 ticket. How many tickets did they buy in total? The correct answer is 3. Question 8. 2 people in front of 2 people, 2 people behind 2 people, and 2 people beside 2 people. How many people are there? The correct answer is 4. Question 9. Can you arrange 4 9s to make 100? The correct answer is 99 plus 9 divided by 9. Question 10. Divide 20 by half and add 30. What do you get? The correct answer is 70.
That's all for this quiz. How many did you get right? Comment your score and try the next challenge.